Getting a new tattoo is a significant commitment, and using a tattoo care kit is a really good way to get the most out of your tattoo. Healthy, moisturized skin holds ink better than dry, damaged skin. So proper skincare before you get tattooed is key in ending up with the tattoo that you want. Our tattoo care kits will include after-inked premium tattoo moisturizer and of course Saniderm. Using Saniderm prevents scabbing, preserving your tattoo's color throughout the healing process. Using Saniderm in tandem with after-inked lotion during the healing process is the best way to protect color and make sure you get the best looking tattoo.